Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to completely remove OneDrive from Windows 11, whether you just want to unlink it, disable it, or eliminate it fully. So first of all, in order to unlink your account, you just have to right click on OneDrive in your cloud icon in the taskbar. Then in the settings, you need to go to the accounts section. Over here, you need to choose the option of unlink this PC. This stops OneDrive from syncing the files with your Microsoft account. In the step 2, you need to disable OneDrive from starting up. For that, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key to open your taskbar. You can also just click on the option of this taskbar here, and then you can come here in your task manager. Once you are here, you need to go to the startup apps here in the left hand section. Then you need to find OneDrive and set it to be disabled. This way, even if it is installed, it won't launch every time you boot. The third thing that you can do is, if you want it to gone completely, you can just simply uninstall it. For that, you can just use the search bar here in the bottom. Then when you search for OneDrive, you are going to see the uninstall option, so you can uninstall it from here. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.